Tomorrow, course is open at 11, from 11 to 12. And then the competition is going to go from 1 to 3. The way it's going to work is you're going to get out on the course, and you're going to go, you'll be assigned a set of scaffolding, each team. Sean Poser, the guy from the X Games MC, is going to be on the course, and the first 3 heats are going to be head-to-head. You're not going to know who's going against who. He's just going to whip them out. He's going to be like, all right, Team Boyd versus Team Falou. And you guys are going to have 12 minutes. At the end of it, he's going to blow this air horn. You guys are going to stop. So your team will come into the middle where all the scaffolding's set up. Falou, and he's going to go under the first set of scaffolding with the other captains. So say under JP. He's like, JP, you saw Falou's team ride, and he's going to talk to his team and he's be like, what do you give him? And everybody's scaffolding has cards numbered 1 through 10. So they're going to be like, all right, that was pretty sick, you get the 7. So they're going to give you a 7. And he's going to go in front of the 4 other team captains that were watching you ride, your team ride, and they're going to give you each a number from 1 to 10. He's going to tally it up, that's your score. Then he's going to do it for Boyd's team. The highest score advances to the next round. All right, so listen up. So that's going to be the first 3 heats. So there's 6 teams. So head-to-head, 3 heats, and 3 teams will advance. After that, you guys have the course to yourselves, each team, for 15 minutes. And while the other 5 teams watch on, and the same thing happens, each team throws up a number. So by the end of it, you're going to have the person that has the highest total score from their individual heat of 15 minutes. After that, the winning team comes to the center, and we've got 4 prizes. We've got an RX-1 snowmobile, the 4-stroke 1000cc from Yamaha. We've got a trip for 2 to Witches Rock Surf Camp in Tamarindo, Costa Rica, G4 PowerBook 15-inch Super Drive, and a 42-inch plasma flat screen TV.
Wearing buckets of